Hi everyone, today at Radiance we're going to be looking at two of our advanced aesthetic treatments. We're going to be starting with the Agera Peel and then we're going to be finishing with the new LED mask. So we're going to start on Shauna. Her skin's already cleansed and prepped. There's different strengths of the Agera Peel. Today we're going to be using the 50 and this is the strongest in the set of peels. Now some clients will only get one coat of the peel. This is quite strong, but Shauna's had it before, so we're going to go with 2 coats today. We're going to discuss some of the benefits and how it's going to work on the skin. So we're going to start in the forehead and work our way down. So the Agera Peel actually treats different types of skin concerns from acne to pigmentation. But today what we're going to focus on is anti-aging. So it works in different ways on the skin. There is powerful retinols in it. They're going to help boost collagen, treat all signs of aging. We also have peptides in it, which is really going to feed the cells in the skin. We're going to bring it right under the eyes because that's where a lot of clients would have concerns with fine lines, crow's feet. The great thing about the Agera Peel is it's non-irritating, there's hardly any downtime. Some clients may have slight flaking after 3 days, however, as long as the skin's kept hydrated, this is what you want. There's 3 main acids in this peel. We have salicylic acid, we have lactic acid, and we have citric acid. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, so it is fantastic for declogging the pores. It's great for inflammation on the skin, but the great thing about salicylic acid is it has much larger molecules than the likes of glycolic, so it won't go as deep into the epidermis, therefore it's perfect for clients that have sensitive skin. Lactic acid is great for many different things as well. It will really speed up the cell turnover, it will smooth the appearance of fine lines, it will brighten the skin. And then finally citric acid, which is another one which is great for brightening the skin. It helps to stimulate cell activity and it also helps, it's packed full of antioxidants, so it's great for fighting off any free radical damage, which can really age the skin. Now we can fan the skin to let it dry, but Shauna's had this before, so she's quite comfortable with it. We're going to give it a couple of minutes, not even, and then we're going to apply a second coat. Some clients may experience slight frosting on the skin where you get white patches. This is nothing to worry about. What that just basically means is that the skin is being exfoliated so well and it's not going to exfoliate anymore. It won't always happen on this. It would be more common to find that in a TCA peel, one of the more stronger peels, or a Jesner's peel. So in a wee second I'm just going to apply another layer and then we'll finally activate it even more with some water and some wet gauze. So most of the clients after about 3 days you'll notice their skin so much brighter, clearer and a lot more smooth. Now you can get a one-off treatment just for overall skin health and deep exfoliation, however we do recommend that you get a course of say 6 treatments, leaving 2 to 4 weeks between each treatment. And again, this is another great treatment to combine with other treatments. You can have it with Casey, the non-surgical facelift. You can have it, as we're going to do today, with the LED mask. You could also have it, if you were having a course of microneedling, you can maybe get this the second week in between each treatment of the microneedling that you're having to really rejuvenate and brighten the skin. Agera was developed after 10 years of research by a group of different biomedical scientists and as well as alchemists too. So a lot of research has went into it, and again the great thing about it is it's non-irritating, there's not much downtime at all, and you're going to see noticeable differences within a couple of days. So as we can see, it's not irritating on the skin, it's comfortable, your client can relax when they have the treatment on. So we're just going to leave this for a wee second and then I'm going to activate it. It's important after the treatment that the client wears a high SPF to protect themselves from sun damage. Just basically, no, they won't need to exfoliate for another week, no waxing around the face for a week. But apart from that, there's not much aftercare that you have to follow. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply some wet gauze, and this is going to again help to activate the peel. And we're going to keep applying water then to Shauna's skin until the tingling goes away. The great thing actually about doing the LED mask after this is that it has healing benefits, so it will help the skin to recover much more quickly and take the redness away. Okay, so we're going to finish up here doing this, and then we're going to come back in a few minutes once the LED mask has been on. Okay, so we're back. We have had the LED mask on Shauna for about 18 minutes now. The LED mask comes in a few different settings. This machine actually also has a galvanic setting, which is great because what it's going to do is it's going to help to push the product deeper into the skin. And the product we have on Shauna now is the Dermalogica multivitamin mask. This is fantastic because it's going to really help boost collagen. It's got your vitamins A, C, E and F in it, as well as your peptides, and the galvanic is going to push this deeper into the skin. Now, as I was saying, it's got 3 different light settings. We'll have the blue setting, which is fantastic for inflammation. It's also good, it's antibacterial, so it's perfect for clients that would have acne, breakouts, things like that, as well as inflammation. We also have the healing setting, which switches from red to blue. So again, this is perfect for clients who have rosacea and sensitivity. But like I was saying earlier, the red is going to be perfect for anti-aging, which we're going to concentrate on today. The red light's going to stimulate collagen, stimulate the fibroblast cells to help with collagen production. It actually gives the skin an exfoliation underneath the skin. It's going to really brighten it as well. It's going to help to tighten around the jowl lines, and it's going to help just improve any fine lines on the skin and leave it looking plumped and hydrated. Again, with this treatment you can have it on its own, and we'll do it with a deep exfoliation, or you can add it on to any of our other treatments like the the skin peel, the biosurface peel. You can add it on to microneedling, you can add it on to Casey, you can even add it on to your regular facial. But today we've done it after the Agera Peel, which is going to really help with the healing process and help with plumping the skin at the end. Once we take this off, again, there's no downtime. It feels completely comfortable whenever it's on. A lot of people fall asleep when it's on. All we're going to have to do is apply strong SPF and something to give the skin more hydration. Now, I want Shauna to keep the multivitamin mask on today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some SPF and some serum on top of it, and then she'll be good to go. We do recommend that the client leaves makeup off the rest of the day, just to let the air of the skin, and then they'll get the more optimum results. So I'm actually going to apply a wee bit of the Dermalogica C12 serum. This will just give her extra hydration and help with the clarity of the skin. And then we are going to apply some SPF. And this is an SPF 50, so it's perfect then. So that is the treatment all done, and we'd like to thank you for watching the video. And if you have any questions about this treatment, if you call into the salon or call us on 0890 6031.